Do you ever dream of waking up and walking into your own personal cafe corner? The kind that makes you feel like you're in your favorite local coffee shop without leaving your home? Well, what if I told you that your daily caffeine fix could be paired with serious aesthetic pleasure? Whether you're working with a small nook, a countertop space, or a full cabinet, today's video will give you 10 creative and stylish coffee station decor ideas that are easy to recreate and seriously satisfying. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share one simple decor trick that instantly makes any coffee station feel warm, welcoming, and designer curated.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What furniture works well for a dedicated coffee station? Sideboards, console tables, rolling carts, or even IKEA hacks work wonders. Look for pieces with drawers or cabinets to store coffee, filters, mugs, and more. Floating shelves above the setup can also add both function and decor value. Need inspiration for furniture ideas? Check the description for product links to coffee station favorites. How should you arrange essentials without clutter? Use a large tray to gather your essentials. Place your coffee maker, sugar bowl, spoon rest, and syrups on it for a clean, contained look. Keep mugs nearby, preferably on hooks or stackable shelves, and tuck pods or grounds into labeled canisters. What's your must-have coffee item? Comment below. I'd love to know how you like your setup. Where's the best place to set up a coffee station at home? Your coffee station should be convenient, yet out of the way. Great spots include a section of your kitchen counter, a sideboard in your dining area, a corner of your home office, or even a repurposed bar cart. The key is accessibility and space for essentials. Like finding the perfect coffee spot? Like this video and share it with a fellow coffee enthusiast. What wall decor adds style to a coffee station? Add framed coffee art, a chalkboard menu, metal signs, or even a neon light that says coffee bar. Hanging racks for mugs or a pegboard for tools keeps it functional and stylish. These elements also help define the space visually. Looking for fun wall pieces? Check the description for links to wall decor you'll love. What color schemes or themes work for coffee stations? Popular themes include farmhouse, rustic, Scandinavian, minimalist, and modern luxe. Use a 2 to 3 color palette, like black and wood, white and gold, or neutral with green accents. Matching accessories help maintain a clean, cohesive look. Want to explore your style? Check the description for a free coffee station theme guide. What lighting should you use to elevate the station's vibe? Soft, warm lighting works best. Undershelf LEDs, a small table lamp, or wall sconces can create ambiance. Edison bulbs or light strips add a cozy, cafe-style glow and bring your whole station to life. Love lighting tricks? Subscribe now for weekly home styling videos and DIY tips. What are some fun add-ons that make the station feel special? Add a milk frother, mini espresso machine, syrup dispenser set, or a rotating lazy Susan for spices. A framed drink recipe, mini snack basket, or hot chocolate corner brings extra joy and convenience to your daily coffee ritual. Thinking of upgrades? Check the description for a list of next-level coffee bar accessories. How can you incorporate seasonal decor without changing everything? Swap out small items, seasonal mugs, mini signs, or tiered tray toppers. Use pumpkins in the fall, candy canes in winter, or citrus accents in spring. A small wreath, candle, or garland goes a long way without cluttering the space. Which season do you style for the most? Let me know in the comments. So now you know, your coffee station doesn't need a remodel. It just needs intention. With these 10 creative ideas, you can design a space that's both functional and beautiful, where every cup feels special. Which idea are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for every product, layout guide, and design secret you need to turn your coffee spot into a personal cafe oasis.